bakatla something much better. Not that they'll be better than men, but then they can come up with something soloring sekatusa young women that are coming up.
Yeah. No lebeletse metshameko ba ya WAFCON ne?
Yeah, usually metshameko o ebile to be honest ke ruta diplera tsa kana le se ka yona. I don't usually follow it because I begin mo mereko or sometimes I begin busy ka other analysis. I go to how level the game, sometimes jump to another any level la tseloring they mostly deliver the formation that you play. As a coach, I'm still learning. So looking at the games, the consider a formation against teaming. I learn from that as well.
What was your overall impression ka Banyana Banyana?
I'm gonna be honest with you, Banyana Banyana. I'm not gonna say I'm disappointed. Their performance was 100%, was on par, was good, to be honest. But then I feel Banyana Bang, they're not given an opportunity. The same squad that is currently playing now, we have seen it 3 years back. We have seen the same players Valoring, Babo squatting. Banyana Valoring 2 years back, mo squatting. Why aren't we giving Banyana Valoring Bago Sasol an opportunity? Why are we not giving other players an opportunity to also come and showcase their talent? Because remember, Banyana is where most of Banyana Bakimo by Temohalang Bukoni Babona. Once Banyana Alko Banyana, she feels or no, because good teaming, you can play good teaming and then Watula Rasu fit, but then once because of Pusha Kayon, we want to see you Luko Banyana. But then if Banyana at this moment, and then 26 players still editing from way back. I mean, Kikuchi LFA, but 2022, but Banyana was still the same team. Even now, Banyana get 2025, they're still the same team. So what are we saying to players Batalansa Solo that are fighting? What are we saying to players that are good enough Batalango Regini? Because they're not in Gulwit, we cannot choose them. I mean, that is not how we're supposed to be Rilvasad. We're supposed to support each other, and then by pushing them, I mean, growth. Where are they going to get growth if we reform?
Yeah, no, we tell us sentle ga itsela. Ke ga bua gore o ntse coach go LFA le na o tshamekile kgweladi now. A go tlhalosetse ga ke ne ke dira dipatlisiso coach Dora ke bone gore o simoletse kgwela gago ya dinao o sa le motlana man o sa ntse o le motlana o belega go kae?
Ke belegile mo Rangua mo zone 4.
Oh, hona fa.
Mo pela mo Shoprite mo.
Yeah. Kgweladi now o kopana kae le yona?
To be honest, Nertser bolo le go grandunya rantelani netball. Ratsamika bolo there, and then Coach Fana came. Arwana Ratsamika bolo go, and then Arbozaka ka Juventus. And then he said, you know what? Kalabona le rata bolo. Why lisatli ratobula team ya Banyana raibisa Juventus, and then he said down the management wa Juventus and old Juventus yabo Elias Muche, lebu Mr. Tabo Makali.
Yes.
And then they sat down together, and then they said, no, it's fine. Are willing team ya ladies, and then that is when it started. Kitumlo dala boloko Juventus. I think it was long ago. When I tell people like Waragere almost 21 years or 23 years kesamika ball. Some don't even believe.
Yeah, no. Rema kudu gore ke ena motho a ntla wa gore bona gore le na le potential a gore le ka ira a ladies team.
True. I call him my mentor. Even to be honest, today ke ena ke mitsang gore ke a person gore I look up to. Mare as you know gore ngwana ka jeko ke ngwana o ruta ke teacher, but then ka sa no kono gaisa teacher. I mean, that is how teachers are supposed to be. Ngwana o tamile o gaise tomorrow. So le ena wa itse I'm trying by all means gore ke mo gaise fana, because onzere at a young age and Angira an assistant player coach, and I was still young when he started me Angira an assistant player coach. I didn't even understand that by then or assistant player coach. Had that training late. I was the one who was taking over a session as an assistant player coach, and I was captain for 15 years in that team. Yeah. Juventus, lady stars while I was still captain. So I'm fun. I mean, to be honest,
yeah,
I am who I am today because of fun.
I believe how we are, Coach Dora Pilere Hatela Copil. Who really some varsity football go SMU?
SMU just hired me now. I'm
yes.
New. Yeah, I'm new to SMU. The reason why maybe they're not go varsity cup is because to be honest, the SMU is much more into academics than anything else. Balebel's academic data, and then bear in mind the other universities, we are only a health sciences university. We are based mostly on medicine. And with sports management, business management, so their modules are not as difficult as the ones that are doing students here. Yeah. My student I train Monday, Wednesday and Friday. You know how many apologies do I get on a daily basis?
Sure.
A lot. It pushes me, my fellow, sacrifice and compromise my work to end up saying, you know what, Baba Fetanga too, let's meet Kokarantum. Bear in mind, I'm working in between 8 and 4 Wanagama SMU as an employee in a different department. So, but sometimes I had to say, you know what, let's go out, let's meet between 2 and train, and then naga tirikita wela go office nyaka.
Yeah, no, e bokete. Yeah, no, e bokete. Re buisana le mokatisi wa kgwele ya dinao ka ko SMU ke bua jalo ka Dora Mashego. Re keteka jalo mosadi mo metshameko mo sekhutlhwana sa rena sa #women of power ya no motsatsi la gompieno rena le ene. Ya no kana kwele fa le tsantse le simolla kgwele ya dinao coach Dora ga le ne le tshameka le santse le basetsana letla. Go ne go kgonagala gore le balance sekolo le dibuka kana kwele nosi. Ka re le gone ya no santse re na le matsapa
I want to question okay rata ka grade 12 fak I remember na ke ngwala English on a Monday na ke tshameka ko Mathibe start on a Sunday. You know go na ke bala maru at the ground ka half time.
Sure.
I was reading maru ka half time. Half an hour a feleta a umanya di player ambola. Now I was on a corner ke bala maru. So honestly saying we took soccer, Rayeta, our break from studying. We didn't move away from studying. We studied. Yeah, how you cannot study for 4 hours. There's no way you can study for 6 hours. So that 3 hours saying, you know what, I'm going to study English, I'm going to study accounting. 5 hours. But then you'll have that 2 hour break. So that 2 hour break, and Bainman Atomare 8 rand. How about you still waiting for accounting equation now? Only David credit you still have to pass. Mama how was our and a Bainman the battery wanna support it was there, but not if you fail and only bolota you are Santa Umusad Basadi Bola like banana. You are not looking at it as a career but as a talent. So you need to mainly focus more Gugeng than go below. But then we managed. I mean, we are working today in qualification. I usually tell my players, you know what? As much as you are studying, I'm a student, I'm an employee, and even I'm your coach. I go back home, I help my son. I even study myself as well.
Yeah.
So how am I doing all of those things?
Yeah, no, ke a gutla. Wa tlhalosa gore le coach Fana o tshamekile karolo tone mo botshelong ba gago, ne? Yeah, are dire jana.
Give my champion coach. You have one of the best defensive midfielders in Rangua. The former Rangua Lady Stars captain. Yeah, Coach D, a very dedicated person, discipline. Yeah, I know that SMU, they have a best coach there. Yeah, just wanted to congratulate her on the achievement of being the head coach SMU ladies. I know she's the best coach. Yeah, I'm very much grateful and I'm proud that I've produced one of the best coaches in women football. I always tell my players they must be very proud that they are representing the same batch as our Coach D, Coach Bucks, that they've already wear the same badge as they are. Thanks, my champion coach.
Dora? Former coach.
Yeah, not just the former coach. I
mentor, ne?
He's my brother.
Oh yeah.
When Asante Rafetsa grade 12, still studying, go Pretoria Tech, Raplaya without qualifications for the part times. We used to use Fana's cell phone number as our reference.
You.
By then, no. I used Fana's phone number as my phone number. I didn't have a cell phone number by then. Because I know if they call me after 4, I'll be with Fana.
o
Go
go
Grand
grand
Yeah, so recently CVs are go Foshini, go Mr. Price. I still remember the phone number. I think it's 083-366-5614 around there. Kaka, Levila is not even using it anymore. But then, now we use that number.
Yeah.
Yeah, they knew correct. Hagisakiri Dora Mujarate. I need to call Fan.
yaanong ke mang kgaitsere ka gonne o ne o tshameka kgwele ya dinao ke a solofela gore coach Fana na le teng mo botshelong ba gago mme a se na le nosi go na le ba bang ba ileng gore le bona ba tsere karolo e tona mo botshelong ba gago ba ileng gore ba o thusitse gore o nne mo kgweleng ya dinao ka jeno ro itse le coach Dora.
My brother Abudaka Philly pushed me from the word go. Lena because na tshameka di one bala go jarateng ke na kono bona from the word go gore these two cause go hire ba bedi banyana. I'm not the only one. Lena na tshameka bolo ke tshameka CDM destroyer and then yena tshameka number 5 as a sweeper team. So every time bolo ngwe tlango di I have to come people headela Eva. So my brother and Eva were there always. Not forgetting my mom. Yeah, support their eyes. Like he never said no. Take care of your family. She never said that. And my husband, like the way Negego Titans. I remember when I was coaching Titans. Bain Mango Titans. I was volunteering.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, and then I was living here at 2. I'm 70, and I'm supposed to knock off at 4.
Or 2 hours sailor. Eba SMU patela.
They don't know. Yeah, exactly. I was looking off at 2, transporting Gramu Gate.
Yeah.
That's Papa Mahatu, and I'll go coach Titans. Come back.
And the Maudi.
Yeah, Tawang. Yeah, like he's been there for me no matter what. That is why I didn't mind volunteering with Titans. I loved because I knew correct. I mean, I love what I'm doing. It doesn't matter how I start it. The most important thing is
yeah. Never winning the Maudi have a tamo and coach Dora about have our approach about Barbatla and our coach at Titans.
Coach a male team comes Fagomakat. There's Fagomakat 2 male staff team. Within 9 months of their team, I've won 6 trophies. I've never lost any tournament. So the reason why they came is because they saw who discipline but Mr. Matiaga age. Even my husband was playing there. I couldn't manage to discipline them. So coaching banyana who different than Bashiman. Coaching banyana who emotional, who tense, who so as a female coach, maybe Bona when they saw me, they said, you know what, this person can come in as our female coach. Because I remember they called me one day. I didn't know anything about Titans. They just came to my house and said, you know what, Ronaldo problem, Ronaldo player he discipline. Bear in mind it was an SAB player. And then I went, I think it was zone 6 or zone, I think it was zone 6. We went there, and then I was disciplinary committee and I was a member. I didn't even know the person that like, but then I had to say all the questions, and then I had to take a verdict in no. So and they took it in. They never said nah Dora so I think the reason why Mr. Maudi and Tumelo came to me was because of the way I handled myself for SMU male team when I was coaching them, and the way I handled myself also Mostarati.
Yeah. No, you're glad.
Hi, Dora. She's D, Coach D. Congratulations to your brother Philly. Philly Jones, Dora Bona. Once more, congratulations. Ka your career ya football overeki na mwana overeki lakini obolela maka overeki especially Moso King basadi baba tsela go tlasa ke no go bolela maka but we have o zamile gore itse ke o bontshe gore you are an inspiration. You are an inspiration to lot of women. And even I can go with Samaka. Big up to you. And I know the journey. As a brother, I know the journey. It was not easy. It was not easy. Once more, congratulations. And you know, you know already the support is there. Everybody Coach D, keep on working hard. I know how much you love football. I know how much you love football, and you work something Loring Bona. Keep on working hard, keep on working up, and happy Women's Month to you and what in them Pagas. What in them about the Wanabai? Can we keep on working hard? Keep on working hard. I don't want to lie. Rarata and then Kiri Babu Chimalorin, the Wabakochaku. I know it's soccer is something similar as Mopilunya. Well, Ukonotia out of your busy schedule. Wakalori, we are you coach these girls or one Taylor, and you are not a coach only. You are a sister, you are a mother to Wanabamu. Big up to you, Coach D, big up to you, Wanabai. Love you. Congratulations once more again. Bye bye. Enjoy Wanabai, and then Rorata Tata, Usinata Samusadi, Usinata, Usinata.
Dimenandora, che Gripa, che Coperovan Banabawatanga Mutasaudora, or how big you are football, the one of the Polgam Koirata. Sure, Brasiti and Gapila and Galaprot come to come calling at Wanyanaka. Thanks a lot.
Dora? Che harangue Mernalu surprise avatu. I wonder to have Philly Jones, to have Bragripa, Razama Ratle Dora.
Yeah, Philly is my brother. That is why I know this is a long journey. He's not lying because I started coaching Titans is now a license. I started coaching Mosfaka Makatu is now a license. But then I told myself, you know what? Because come SMU to me the coach in 2015. And I told myself, you know what, Dora, this is something that you're passionate about. Don't take it for granted. Orata bolo and then Kalonzo rata bolo. Fana new hore. Aki level ball. Aki roto level ball.
Even
because Haki level to bolo. Okay, Fana is the one who stopped me from watching soccer because Haki next time ball. Haki level to ball. I will take the letter of Dr. Kumalo to la kanyo reza kamo grande. This is number 15. So na one bizam tuwa. So I will take everything. I want to go grandong ever go gaming Rothman sa mega Rothman and go to gaming ka Sunday and gas pasiba to get a problem. Kanya wa tani tsamaya tsaka o a tlhalwana.
Okay. Yeah. No mara ke utlwa fa le Bragripa wa tlhalosa no. Ba berekile le yena le bo Brasiti they would be proud today ba bona mo le mo teng ka jena.
True. Brasiti is one of those people he pushed me. Bragripa used to tell me, you know what, you're not just a player. The way Olinga Tengam Grantung, the way you push other players come Grantung. I remember one day Tameka Custodiamu, and then he came after me are Kisatinya. Because I mean I'm short. They are taller than us. Timitabu pilot to go clap hard, to go Zebra Force. Those way, but so he came to me, you know what? Oscar Pinyata, don't underestimate size how. You are bigger than you think. So Oscar is here come koi wanangating and Osai feta. Let this not be your end. I remember Zilen Salara Afita Kohai, Aya Hai, Akoragabupi. Naruto fita ko high. No, Brasiti go drop. Have you decided to go for the coaching courses? No, I haven't got time to information about those things. No, eventually when you do that, ke kopa o try ho tsena because we need the people like you, especially in Khalfa, so that really growing Khalfa as a whole mo basading. And then that is when I met when I went to Titans and I met Mr. Ramabia, and then they advertised the license, and he pushed me like, no Dora, you're supposed to go there now. Mokili na mod ari pushang ladies, you need to go there. And I started attending that D license. Haketsana kwa was the shortest.
Doro o garo berekisa ntlha gore your height o gare
like people when they see your height they start undermining you. I was on utakona mu D license. Believe you me, you can call Coach Jeff now, our instructor.
Yeah.
He will tell you, Bon, that one was the best. Yeah. Any drill, I've never failed any drill. Even the Tuso Pala will tell you, Manolo Blanica drill. But then the height and running, Kamola Reza Fiziki, Rashiana.
Oh, okay.
Akeratushia.
Yeah, no, right. Kaya wana fale le wrestle Ramabia wabu lolonki. I don't know. Yes, I don't know what hello safar. No, Coach Dora, I'm your number one supporter. Yeah, kyo ne mela itsena gore ya tlhagela. Re bua le bakatisi Dora Mashego o tsa o ka ko sefa ko makhatho o ke mokatisi ka ko setlhopha sa basetsana. Ya no Coach Dora o reno dira setlhopha sa basimane. Ya no ke se sirile gore o kgagane le sona.
The male team, the staff male team.
Yes.
Not necessarily when they need assistance, they come and ask me for assistance.
Oh yeah.
But then I felt why am I focused more into coaching male? With male, you grow, but then with male you don't grow internally, so because they know everything about soccer. When you come up with something, you just giving them the highlight. You are not really telling them because you give them the formation, they already know the formation. But then when you tell them a formation, you have to go deeper into the formation. So I decided, you know what, Kimusadi, and then Mobopilong, I want to see other women grow. I want to see Banyana Babanyane, Balohoring Lin Nakimunyani, as much as I am right now. Kibatobanaba, Bachenchize, they are alive. Remember, another thing is soccer, the good thing is sports, not necessarily soccer. The good thing is sports, especially when you're a lady playing soccer, it takes you out of the street. Kaufela, almost half of the team, we were working.
Yeah.
We were working, we were responsible, we knew you can bolo tababa shimani awa ibila armoyon and then nabasar fast because naranga stig aka bolonga stig ara la bono baka tsena ba botsa o ya bolonga for o emela ka for per leggings out by the time you come back unga stido I mean ana mishina ka emela ngwana unga stido I mean bana ba fast against soccer players because naranga tsona le bona ba then le bona ba itse I want to can le dora because ra bolo and fa no lo le
yeah
Hare matela ka go dumedisa baratiri ba botlhe ba GFM ke dumedisa le mme o ka fomo wa rena Coach Dora Mashego ke gore ke re ge ba bua ka se khatlamela masisi sa mme mokatisi wa
Coach Dora
o nkileng ka mona a katisa
se
mme a sa katisa a na le tswelelo pele ke tsamkile mo tlase ga Coach Dora Mashego se ba se setelele ko SMU o ka ya Botswana o ka ya Lesotho o ka ya Swaziland ba tla go bolela ka Coach Dora Mashego mokatisi wa nang le kitso e ntse kgwele dinao mme ke go ya ke re ga e tshameke fela ga e katisi fela o ya rata o ka mona le motsatsing la ka moso mo gareng ko stadium o tla ba le ka go nkgonne
ke molaetsa o tlhagelang ke Thaba Molefe
my defender.
Oh yeah. Okay.
One of my players. Yeah, he's telling the truth. Even teams, university teams, because SAUSA stands for Southern African University Staff Sports Association. We have 19 universities participating there as staff members. So even if you go to Botswana, you tell them, Coach Dora will go SMU male team. They'll be scared.
Yeah.
You need to Northwest SAB just to stop me.
Yo.
Zimbabwe had to end up playing with under 17. There's no way that you're gonna be beaten Gimusadi.
Yeah.
And at Bainman, I had only 11 players. I didn't even have a sub. Zimbabwe. So Barabagas beat Gimusadi. So
Yeah, ebile ga bua ka yona ntlha eo Coach Dora le la buta ga bara file o itlhalositse gore basadi e kete gale ga ba tsewe tseya ga ke itse wena o itse ka tselentseng jang le khona yang go nantse go na le di motho ga ka re di doubt ka lona le di female coaches.
I feel that Mopilong challenges are there, and then as Mosadi, as Basadi Kaufela, we need to face them and move on. We are gonna face challenges, Mopilong. I mean, Mopilong, you write an exam, you fail. Try up until you pass it. So the challenge is little thing. But now they're gonna try and undermine us. But then we don't have to take in Sebasibua. As long as we're not believer, you are capable. Capabilities that how get on di bulalang ka we.
Yeah, no can net.
Hi Dora, Coach Batsmo. So I just want to say that I'm proud of you, Mayanaka. So yeah, I was having fun. You're doing a good job, and yeah, I think Harangu, we are proud to have someone like you. Yeah, we do uplifter our little girls. We are not just soccer coaches, but life coaches as well. So keep doing what you do, and yeah, we do happy with us ourselves and such a happy. So you're on the right track, Mfanak. Sharp.
Fanaga.
Yeah, Coach Bugsy, I used to play Lena. I was a destroyer, Elena taking middle field there go fan. And I never let Namaloba more. He's about to do a C license. Now I've already done mine. So you know what, Bugsy, we are the only ladies mobile coach and team Moranku. Let's push, man. Let's push as much as we can, and just let's not just look at ourselves only. You can come and do a D license. Unfortunately, she cannot do it because Varagari Polo Hall. Now at least the Merco go one allow. And then leave my boss. You know how a boss will go for leave your attend a C license.
You.
You know what, Dora? I don't lie. I tell him the truth. You know what? C license now phase 1, phase 2. This month Konga 7 days. Next month Konga 7 days. I'm attending my C license. Can I please take leave? And what do you mean? So, we're going to push as much as we can. If it will push our generated to the A license, we are. Because I've given up a B license now. As much as I don't know if you would say finally my brother or before my fella, I should have B license or I should have been on the coaches list. That's a B license. I pray for myself.
Yeah. Le dipatliso tsa ka di tlhalositse gore o dirisa madi a gago ga itsedi ya ka ne ke ya
tura bill license civil ke na le ngwe is 20,000 rand. So when I think about 20,000 rand, because now they might say it's 20,000 rand, and then after 3 months it might be 30,000 rand. But then Joy Muloi from SAF has just advertised one for ladies for a sponsor again FIFA. So we applied. I hope I'm gonna get in. There's another one it might come out. Safa as well. I think around about November I must apply for that one. And then if not, it means now I have to get the report in Zaka, get the search. But then my husband is willing as well. Or no, you know what? Let me take care of the bills coming through. And then we're not kapatela. Even my little sister, you know what? Kasho taga 5,000 rand. I want to do 1, 2, 3. He said no, Dora, mana ausak. Kawiti pusha kilo tsa hao
ha ka ba le fa a ka reng ka wena Eva ma
soccer took me away from her.
Yeah, no, I got it. La ruta.
Ke le dumedisa ba botlhe. B ke shole no bika fela ke tsana ke di for Ashu. Ausaka, I would like to say happy Women's Day. This month, we dedicate to basadi ba tshwana le lena, hardworking, very strong women.
Yeah.
Basadi ba na le lerato ba tshwana le wena. I want you to keep going. Ka ntho etsang. You're not only a sister to me, you are a mother to me, not only to me, but to your players, to a lot of people out there. wabereka usaka too much. So I would like to tell you, we love you. Keep going, and onento on talerato. Everything so setang, I know who is you are a mother to my kids. You are a mother to me. You are a sister. You are everything. So keep on going, Osaka, and know that I'm behind you. You always tell me that soccer and all that. Keep going. Don't let anything come around. You are the best. And for me, you are the best coach. Yabasad. Moharangur. So keep going and love you always. Take care.
Mama Silela.
Yeah, that's my little sister.
Yeah.
Kena nature kam granting ke hedo bana po hedo ke yan. Kena nature ke hedo peta wato because mana mi tangudi. Don't have ball. I mean lima wadi bulu rupi mo because of it. No saya mwana re wato di thakeli. Yeah.
Yeah, no good le gane tse go fa kantele fa le thaba mo tlhalosero ka moso go na le metshameko ke bone tshwane Mama's Golden Ladies matches or league ya tshameka ke a gopola coach Fana ke la mpolela ka yona ka moso o tla bo le go
Mr. Ramat and Mate I'll be attending women's conference.
Oh yeah.
Sometimes mo pelong kairata ball. But sometimes also you need to also grow personally, so getting advice from other people. This conference is all about me having my own academy as well, because they're teaching us about how to open a business, so that I can take and open my own academy abanyana ya soccer, because kerata soccer. So I told them that, you know what, I'm keen like it to remain, so whatever they need, I just transfer. Ba league arena, ba team arena, retipiza GMFC.
Yeah.
Harangua Masters Football Club. Yeah, kirona fela, kirona let's go levala.
Okay. GMFC, ne?
Yeah, so I told them that, you know what, apologies ladies, in spirit we're gonna be with you, but then sometimes personal matters also came, so to grow, and unfortunately I won't attend that game.
Kaitsela ka o go tsamaka go tlhaina le bo smaka le bo peluno me ya so fela gore ke di former players tsa gago ha ke ba senana ba le teng GMFC nkabele
yo Snagalen Serepa may soul rest in peace. Bo peluno, you know, if you give a thing ngere sa tshameke morangu.
Yeah.
Ngere dala league ya go Soweto. Dala against bo ana monate. To be honest, we are going to face them head on. Ibila akwai daga ka itshaba eo gore na re ka se ba face, because with those players na rena le you know mo teaming gona le this thing re bitsa gore ke culture. We know each other. Ka itse re pelo no me batla bolo kae sena ka le mo batla bolo kae. We understand each other. So ka bao shem gerle cool. Yeah, too much.
Yeah, okay, ke tsa botshelo khaitsedi aka ke tsa botshelo. The 3 September 2023 no look okay.
I'm not sure.
Let me ask no le guy. But I'll tell you something. O kwadile statement sa se mo Facebook o tlhalosa hore batshameki ba mo hae ba rata batshameki ba banyana ba idolize bo Salgado ke bona le ke a gopola le Simpio Tlutlu o commentile mo comment ya 2023 a tlhalosa ka mogweleng gore ba tshameki ba rona ba batla go ipona ba le kwa mme fela ga ba batle go dira tiro gonne ke a gopola gona le pillars tse 2 tse important tse o boletseng ka tsona: discipline and passion.
True. The players are not I'm going to talk about Rankua because we do Rankua. The players are not Rankua, most of them banabanyana. They're not consistent and are committed. Barata ball. Marabanya go ibereke. Abanya go gym. Babu take a game. Okacha sa quantum sepedi. Babu take a training. Batawali 7. And kipela give the player on let me tell you something. You know the Sundowns Boomerang Abaligo Chiefs, they're not getting paid to play. Because what are for Mukwedi? What I say. So the salary is not more playing. It's about their training. Because they train more than they play. So I tell players, Mutunyo go dala ball maranya go train. o itseba jwang you end up coming up le the some other things that like for now I train on Monday and then beke I would say, you know what, I postpone even my games. I said, you know what, we will train next week. You know what I did? I can show you right now. I gave them assignments. Assignments are as a defender. Oh, understand that. I even send them links that game. Go and look at Banyana in Zambia and do an analysis. And I send them the questions. They need to answer those questions because it is who coach mo bolo asai tlhalohanya
yeah
a ho monate ho tsa bolo biemo o re motho a re hekwa mara asa tlhalohanya ro why am ke betha bolo ke betsa wall pass, why am I doing that? You need to understand why am I doing wall pass, coach, because baka mo ke ba medula ke ba di 7 and di 6. I tell people that they ask a lot of questions, so you must be well minded as well, because outside bolo we tamolo batane molo, you want the player to be able to akono trapa bola happy akono ba le basic for bola tla ka speed. How am I going to put my feet ki trapa jwang? Wa understand? So banyana ba mo abanya go trainer, they just want to play. There's no way that you can play without training, because good training ke mo re bona gore position is suitable for wena ke fi. We cannot just put you ra tsama semeka 9. You don't know or 9 is semeka. Who's 9 ke tsengata? I mean, I know 5. There's a lot of striking systems. There's a lot of formations. So ke tsana mo grand ngere re tshameka 4-3-3. O nyoko mpotsa ro striker. Go 4-3-3. So it becomes difficult.
Coach Dora, re do ira part 2 khaitse. No, re do ira part 2. Ke yanong gape, what's next? Mo letong la gago buile ka coaching course o tlo batla go itira. Re solofeleng gape mo go wena khaitse yaka.
I promise.
Skantsha thata.
Yeah, I promised Coach Conti Kubeka, my other instructor, that I just don't see myself as a coach. I wanna be an instructor.
Oh yeah.
I wanna do an instructor course, because coaching helps, but then now I want to teach these players how to coach. For at least there will be more coaches, especially Morangu. So that is my how training yaka. I'm gonna be busy. Yeah, being an instructor, but I'm loud. But then but I'm kotlel.
Coach Dora, na le wa khaitseri yaka. Re bya phegelana fela ke khoma.
Ke khoma.
Re go ira part 2.
Part 2 guys really.
Ya le wa khaitseri yaka. Ya. A re bisana na ke mo katise Coach Dora Mashego.